Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech to compare two popular choices for tracking your daily activity: smartwatches and fitness bands. Both aim to help you stay active and monitor your health, but they do so in different ways. Let's break down the key differences to help you decide which is the best fit for your lifestyle and needs. Firstly, let's look at the features and functionalities they offer. Smartwatches are essentially mini computers on your wrist, packing a punch with their capabilities. They offer a wide array of features beyond just activity tracking, including seamless notifications from your smartphone, robust app integration, allowing you to access various applications directly on your wrist, music playback for your workouts or commutes, and even the ability to make calls without needing to reach for your phone. Fitness bands, on the other hand, are more focused on the core activity tracking functions, providing a streamlined experience with a primary emphasis on essential health and fitness metrics. They excel in tracking steps taken throughout the day, accurately measuring distance traveled whether you're running, walking, or cycling, and consistently monitoring your heart rate to provide valuable insights into your cardiovascular health during both rest and activity. Next, let's explore design, comfort, and aesthetics. Smartwatches often boast larger, more stylish designs, with customizable watch faces and bands allowing you to personalize your device to match your outfit or mood. This offers a level of personalization that's unmatched by most fitness bands. Fitness bands are typically smaller, lighter, and more discreet, making them comfortable for all-day wear, especially during workouts or sleep. Their unobtrusive design allows for seamless integration into your daily life, without drawing excessive attention. Now, let's examine battery life, a crucial aspect of any wearable. Smartwatches tend to have shorter battery lives, often requiring daily charging due to their advanced features, powerful processors, and larger, high-resolution displays that consume more power. This is a trade-off for their versatility. Fitness bands generally offer significantly longer battery life, sometimes lasting for several days or even weeks on a single charge. This can be a major convenience for those who prefer not to worry about constant charging. Consider the cost, another important factor. Smartwatches are usually more expensive due to their advanced technology, complex components, and broader feature sets, reflecting their wider range of functionalities. Fitness bands are generally more budget-friendly, making them accessible to a wider range of users, particularly those who are new to wearable technology or are looking for a more affordable way to track their fitness. Think about the user experience, another key differentiator. Smartwatches provide a more comprehensive and engaging experience with features like interacting with messages, responding to notifications, and accessing various apps directly on your wrist, offering a seamless and integrated digital life. Fitness bands offer a more streamlined experience, focusing primarily on essential health and fitness metrics with less distraction, making them ideal for individuals who prioritize simplicity and clear data. Finally, consider your specific needs and priorities. If you prioritize advanced features, app integration, a stylish design, and are willing to charge your device daily, a smartwatch might be the better choice. It's a great choice for tech enthusiasts and those who want a more feature-rich experience. If you're looking for basic activity tracking, long battery life, a more affordable option, and a less intrusive design, a fitness band could be ideal. This is perfect for those who want simplicity and focus on core fitness metrics. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual preferences, budget, and how you plan to use the device. Both smartwatches and fitness bands offer valuable insights into your activity levels, helping you stay motivated, track your progress, and ultimately achieve your health and fitness goals. Thank you for tuning in. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of wearable tech to compare two popular choices for tracking your daily activity: smartwatches and fitness bands. Both devices offer a way to monitor your movement, but they differ significantly in their features and overall functionality. So, which one is right for you? Let's find out. First, let's talk about fitness bands. These are typically smaller, more streamlined devices, designed with a focus on fitness tracking. They excel at monitoring basic metrics like steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and sleep patterns. Many fitness bands also include heart rate monitoring, which can provide valuable insights into your workout intensity and overall cardiovascular health. One of the main advantages of fitness bands is their simplicity. They're easy to use, with straightforward interfaces and a clear focus on the essential fitness data. They are generally more affordable than smartwatches, making them a great option for budget-conscious consumers. Their compact size also makes them comfortable to wear all day and night. Perfect for tracking your sleep without any bulkiness. Fitness bands also tend to have better battery life, often lasting for several days or even weeks on a single charge. Now, let's turn our attention to smartwatches. Smartwatches are essentially miniature computers you wear on your wrist. They offer a much wider range of features than fitness bands, including the ability to receive notifications, make calls, send texts, and even run apps. In addition to fitness tracking, smartwatches can provide access to your calendar, music, and other important information. Smartwatches typically offer more advanced fitness tracking features compared to basic fitness bands. They often include GPS for tracking your outdoor activities, such as running or cycling, and can provide more detailed workout metrics. Some smartwatches also come with advanced sensors for monitoring things, like blood oxygen levels and ECG readings. While smartwatches have more features, they come with a few trade-offs. They are generally more expensive than fitness bands, and their battery life tends to be shorter, usually requiring daily charging. Also, some people may find smartwatches to be bulky or less comfortable to wear, compared to the sleek design of fitness bands. So, which device is the winner? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're primarily interested in basic fitness tracking and value simplicity, a fitness band is an excellent choice. If you want a more versatile device with a wider range of features, including smart notifications and advanced fitness tracking capabilities, a smartwatch would be a better fit. Consider your budget, lifestyle, and the specific features that are most important to you when making your decision. That's all for today's comparison. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.